So we are off to the other shopping mall, Florida's shopping mall. Not the Vinelands where we went the other day, we're going to the one on the opposite side of iDrive. It's about 5:30 now. It's absolutely boiling and my toes are numb. So yeah, so we're off to the other shopping mall to see if there's anything there. So this is an empty itrolly, which is very unusual. We've actually just found out that if you go onto the website, the itrolly website.com or something, it's on the bus stops, it tells you. It's a little map of where they all are, so you can sort of track where the itrolleys are, but you do track the ones that are out of service as well, because one went flying past us. But yeah, it's a good little thing to do. Check on the little app and it'll tell you where about the buses are. First time I've seen an empty one, because we're going the other way. So this is the last stop, stop 1, the Orlando Premium Outlets. And there's air conditioning on these as well, and also good space, like I've said, for wheelchair access and prams. So here we are. That was very quick to get to from Dockside Surfside Hotel. Literally, how many stops? 5 stops? 5, oh, yeah. It went really fast. It only took about 5 minutes. So let's have a look around this one. Apparently this one is bigger, so we'll see. It's open till 9 PM most nights, apart from a Sunday, which is 7. Kate Spades. There's my bag I got. Some cute bags. Cute the little heart one down there. So again, it's 60% off with an extra 20, so 80% off the shop price. Off earrings. So yeah, just the same really as the other one. A few more different earrings. Inside Saks on Fifth Avenue now. Have a little look around. See if I can find myself something, a bargain, hopefully. No, there wasn't much in Saks on Fifth Avenue. I tried a few t-shirts on, but the necks were massive on them. What did I get? I got it's like a pink casual vest top and a pair of pyjama bottoms. Bit random, but yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Disney shop's busy. It's a good job I'm not into Disney, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I've given. My feet are killing me. Not even my feet, it's just my little toes. So it is massive, this one. I can't walk around anymore. I've sat down and waiting while John's gone in Under Armour, which is a queue to get in. It looks huge, the shop looks huge. The queue's not too bad, so we shouldn't be too much longer. And it's now 7:30 and we've had nothing to eat since our Starbucks sausage McMuffin. So yeah, I think it's time to go and have some food now and get to bed and just rest my feet. And then tomorrow we are at Sunday, so I don't know what we're doing at the minute tomorrow. I was thinking of maybe Volcano Bay, but that might be busy over weekend, so don't know yet. Really don't know what we're going to do tomorrow yet, because it's the weekend, so it will be busy. I'd love to go back to SeaWorld, but today's queues, when we looked on the app, were ridiculous when we walked on them all yesterday on a Friday, but today it was like 2-hour wait on the queues on the app, so definitely try and avoid coming to any of the theme parks of a weekend, because everyone must just flock to them. Then you're better off sticking to the weekdays, definitely. So yeah, just waiting for John, and there's a Bahama Breeze across the road, so I think we're just going to go there, hopefully get a table and go home and sleep, and hope my feet are better tomorrow, because literally they're killing me. Also, I'm sorry I haven't done much filming around this outlet, because it is the best one, that's way better than the other one. I've just literally filmed the odd little few shops, but it is massive. I've only been to the odd few. I've just been in like a Maidenform underwear shop, and they had 60% off on this rail of what was the price that was on it. So I got myself some nice little knickers, to be honest. Yeah, 4 pairs of knickers with 60% off, and I think it come to like $30, so it's about £27 for 4 nice pairs of knickers, which is really good. And just waiting for John now. Hurry up, John, in Under Armour. Hopefully he'll get a few bits, because he hasn't gotten on. He's been in Lacoste and got himself 2 tops in Lacoste, I think. 2 polo tops. He's paid $115 or something like that for the 2 tops. But yeah, they look nice from what I can see in the bag. But I've literally just got a pair of pyjama bottoms, out of Saks on 5th Avenue, and what else is to get in there? Oh yeah, like a little pink t-shirty top and 4 pairs of knickers. I can't look around anymore, I don't even care. I just need to get some food and get my head down for a little bit, and hope then tomorrow it's another day, and we'll go from there and see what's what tomorrow. So I'm back again. I'm still waiting for John, so I might as well chat back to use, or hopefully give you some advice. So yeah, tomorrow I forgot, we've got Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow, and I've got the express passes for that, so hopefully that will be great, because it'll be night time and it'll be great in the night. There's not all the rides open apparently, but there's a few rides open, and I think there's 10 haunted houses, so we should have a good chance of getting in them all. I've actually seen a Halloween Horror Night t-shirt in the Universal shop at the hotel, so I think I'm going to be a proper geek and get one of those. But it's nice, it's quite nice. I'd nearly bought myself black leggings in Saks before, with little skeletons on, but you could only see them like slightly underneath. But when I tried them on, I thought, no, you're going a bit too far, get a grip. So yeah, the t-shirt should be okay, so I'm going to get myself that in the morning probably, and I don't know what we're doing in the day, but it's Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow, and that was just before this storm Ian comes in, which I've just been reading again. It looks like it's going to do a direct hit to Tampa, and then come over to Orlando, but they're not sure on like the day, but it looks around the time when we're flying home, so it's going to be Wednesday night going into Thursday, which won't be good. So let's just say I hope we're alright. Fingers crossed we'll be fine. So this is the other Bahama Breeze. Second visit. It is a Saturday night. This is facing the premium outlet, so let's see if we can get a table without waiting. Absolutely gorgeous of this one. Look at those little comments, so cute. Yeah, we managed to get a table straight away because I actually sit outside at the bar, but with us eating I didn't want to sit at the bar outside, or we could have waited a little bit to get a table outside. We just wanted to sit down, so it's not too busy, but yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous in here. It's so cute. So I'm going to get the coconut shrimp to start because I'm starving, and a beer I think tonight. We'll stay after cocktails now and have some beer with my food. But yeah, it's lovely. So I have ordered a Modella beer, and John's ordered a mojito, haven't you? And I have ordered the coconut shrimp, 6 large crispy shrimp, citrus mustard and dipping sauce. So that's what I've ordered to start. I don't know what I want for my main yet, I'll have a little look, but I'm starving, so I need food. Wow, the coconut shrimp was gorgeous. Even John, who doesn't eat fish, I made him try it. He got to try it and he said it was really nice. So yeah, definitely all the hype for the coconut shrimp's worth it. And for my main, I've gone for a Jamaican stuffed plantain bowl. So this is going to be interesting. I'll show you a picture. Yeah, I thought it'd be adventurous. It is a caramelised whole sweet plantain, which I've never had, stuffed with yellow rice, mildly spiced ground beef and black bean sauce and cheese. So yeah, something a bit new. John's getting the jerk chicken again because he really enjoyed that last time. So it's nice in here, it's really nice, and this one is lovely with all those little fans there. So cute. The beer's nice, and John's cocktail is nearly gone, so I take it he likes it. There it goes, it looks really nice. There's John's humongous bill of jerk chicken pasta. I think you can get a smaller portion for the starving tonight. So I'm going to try and see what it's like. It looks very different, and I love it, trying anything new, so here goes. Well, that was absolutely gorgeous. I really enjoyed that. I did ask the server what it tasted like plantain, and I said, is it like a sweet potato? And she said no. But it actually was. To me, it was like a sweet potato, just slightly different. John's polished his pasta off, and that's all mine. And I'm so glad I tried that. It was really nice. And then I think I might actually have this. Why not? It'd be rude not to order it dessert really. John's ordered a strawberry daiquiri, so I've ordered another lager and key lime pie. So yeah, bring it on. So here's the bill.
20%, so we like 18 quid.
We did get, John got 2 cocktails, I got 2 beers, we had a starter, a main each and a dessert, one dessert, and it's 89.37, and then we've got to give, well we haven't got to give the 20% tip, so yeah, not too bad that, okay. I'm still waiting for me key lime pie. We thought we'd ordered it, but we hadn't. I'm sorry about it because I'm stuffed. But I need to try it. Wow, I really don't feel like this, so I'm gonna have to try some and see if I can take it out with me because I'm stuffed now. It's me dinner's hit the spot already, and I've still got half a pint left, but it looks delicious. Wow, I can't breathe. I had a few spoonfuls and John is so fussy, he won't try nothing, and I said just try it, because he doesn't like anything cheesecakey and stuff. So we had some and he went, that is gorgeous. So John polished the rest off. He said it was the nicest dessert he's ever had. So tonight he's tried coconut shrimp, which he's never had before, and key lime pie. So the bill in from my stalling come to £97 something. That was with a 20% tip. Yeah, it was $107 just over, but it worked out on the stall and £97 UK money. And like I say, that was for 2 pints, 2 cocktails, 1 starter, 2 mains and 1 dessert. So yeah, it's gorgeous, it's really nice here. It's definitely lived up to my expectations. Bahama Breeze, definitely come back. Yeah, it was lovely. So now it is time to, we're not even getting the iTrolly back, we've ordered an Uber. So go home, get me head down, I'm absolutely shattered. Bye guys. So I've also done a review on the Bahama Breeze on International Drive, by the way, a full review, so I'll be able to put that up, or it should be up by now anyway. So yeah, so good night and thanks for watching. Yeah, please make sure you watch my other Bahama Breeze, the first time I ever came to Bahama Breeze, which was only a few nights ago on International Drive. So there is a video of that on my YouTube channel also to watch, so enjoy. So hi guys, I've just come to the outlets on my own. John stayed in the room, he's being bored. No, he said he can't be bothered walking around them again, there's nothing here for him, and some of the shops are more expensive than the UK. So I never had a proper look the other night because my feet were killing, but they're much better today, which is great. So the weather's nice and calm before Ian arrives. So yeah, I'm going to have a little look around and see if I can find any bargains and go from there. I can't really buy much. I've bought myself my bag and purse and my few bits what you've seen, but my cases were already coming out. But I bought a hand luggage to put a few bits in because we only brought one hand luggage out with us. So the stuff I've bought will probably just take me up to my limit, so I can't really buy anything anyway. Not that there's that much to buy over here cheaper. But I'll have a little look around. It is a nice outlet, this one. It's huge, really nice. So I'm gonna have a look around guys, speak to you later. I'm in Victoria's Secret and wow, it's so cheap in here. But it's no good for me, I can't take. There's a sweet fig spray, $5.99. But I can't take it home because the weight, don't they? Like big bottles. I know they're more expensive than this over in the UK, but there's nothing I can do about it really. Yeah, look at the size of them, $5.99. Bargains, but unfortunately not good for the weight. So I'll keep having a little nosy. Hi guys, so I'm out of the outlet, which is over there. What did I get? I got a few t-shirts and Under Armour for my son, boxies for my other son, got John 2 t-shirts, got myself some makeup. That's about it, I think. So look where I'm headed now. I don't even care, I'm going to Bahama Breeze on my own for happy hour. I can get myself some coconut shrimp and a few cocktails, and I'll get an Uber back to the hotel from here. It's about $7. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little happy hour, Vicky happy hour before Ian comes. The calm before the storm. So yeah, I've had 3 cocktails and some of my shrimp. It was amazing. Just ordered an Uber, which is 4 minutes away. Back to the hotel. Don't know how long I'm going to be there, but let's hope we can keep the same room in the same hotel, and that'll be a big bonus really, and we can just knuckle down.